What is this? Doesn't this bring back teenage memories? Oh, it's so epic! Oh my gosh. So this is dedicated to creating the most epic entertainment experience ever from Blizzard. And the artist is a Taiwanese artist. The Arthas statue. Lick Clean Arthas Menethil. Iconic character in the Blizzard Warcraft game universe by Taiwanese artist Stephen Wang. The bronze statue and in 4.5 meters tall. So cool. Yeah. Awesome. So if you like video games, it's a pretty cool statue in the Taichung park system. What else can we find? So many things. Cool.